guys, my garage is an absolute cluster right now. Like, I really need to get this place organized because I can't move. Yes, as you see, radials. I got the M-poles in their tires now. They're looking real good. Got some window tint stuff. That's the old box I have to break down still. This is the part that I just put on today. Well, kind of put on, that you guys have been waiting for, because I made the video of it. And well, I'll show you guys it right now. Now, if you guys haven't already spotted it, it's this thing right here. And if you guessed the light bar, you would be correct. This is the new kind of special surprise plan that I'm going for. I am doing a safety car build. If you guys don't know what that is, there's a video on VinWiki of a guy doing a BMW, I think it was an M3 or an M4, turning it into a safety car build. So I watched that, I'm like, well, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen anyone with an Infiniti do it, so I'm gonna do it. And I got the light bar in. It's not attached or anything. I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna attach it. I really don't wanna drill into my roof. So I got some real heavy duty 3M tape that I'm gonna put some vinyl down on top of the vinyl wrap, just so I don't ruin this. And then I'm gonna use the 3M tape, and hopefully that'll be enough to hold this thing down. And then I'm just gonna run all the wires and stuff just down through the sunroof. So I'll just keep this popped open, you know, all the time. And I'll just run this down through the headliner and then connected somewhere into the middle console. But I am pretty excited for this because already I think this looks pretty good. It looks pretty sick. Let's go to a different angle. I think it already looks like kind of badass. I don't know, I might move it up just a bit more, just a tad bit more, just to get it a little more even. But this thing looks awesome, and I'm pretty happy. Let's see how it looks. God, I think it's gonna look so sick. Like that angle right there, that looks cool. But yeah, guys, that's the big surprise. And so I'm gonna get this thing all down and secured and wired in probably tomorrow. I just real quick wanted to get it on today, just to show you guys what I'm thinking. I think it's gonna look so sick. And then besides that, a little update on other stuff. I finally sent off my OEM headlights to get retrofitted. That'll be happening the 1st of July, I believe they put me in. I've already set up for my rear taillights to get done. Those are getting sent to a guy in Japan that's gonna do some real crazy stuff on them. It's gonna be a one-of-one design, real dope. But that's not gonna be till probably like way later in the year. I'm on a long waiting list, but I've already put the deposit down, and I'm about to send him the taillights just to have them. And then, yeah, I just got all that stuff. I'm gonna put the M-poles on the front, drag radials on the rear, and I will get some videos and pictures of that for you guys soon. Finally doing big things. The window tint, I'm gonna tint my front windshield 35%, and then also tint my wife's car because she's riding in a fishbowl. And then just a ton of other miscellaneous parts, as always. We're just gonna get through, but I'm excited about this. I think it's gonna look sick. I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you guys think of the safety car build. I don't know how people will take it. Either gonna like it or not, honestly. But like I said, I haven't seen another Infiniti do it, so I'm gonna try and do it real fast. And we'll see if I get flamed on or not. So there's a little the little surprise update for you guys, and tomorrow we'll get this thing on and working, so we'll see you then.
Didn't even get to cross.